This December I'm making a Christmas calendar using vanilla JavaScript and HTML canvas. In each one of these days, I'm gonna procedurally generate a unique Christmassy item because I need icons like these around this time, and good free ones are hard to come by. I also want to easily scale and color them in different ways. I hope you'll follow along and implement your own versions so I can showcase them in a special video on the 24th. You'll practice working with coordinates, basic math, and various JavaScript programming techniques. It's a good project, I think, to learn about code modularity, reusability, and how to write consistent code. Today is day 23 and we're gonna draw a reindeer.
Coding with Radu. Let's code now.
I have 15 minutes before a meeting, so I have to speed this up. But good news, it's the last one, and bad news is it's maybe the hardest one, the reindeer. To add it here, we need to go to index.html and add the new function to our functions array. Draw a reindeer, and we'll implement this in its own file, reindeer.js. In VS Code, control-clicking this creates the file for you here in the items folder. And let's implement the draw reindeer function, ctx, xy, size, and hue, same as all other functions in this project. And I'm going to use these helper variables to draw this bounding box so that we know where we want the reindeer to fit. Good. Now, the way I'm going to draw those antlers is by reusing this snowflake. I think it's kind of a cool idea. So just the top parts of the snowflake will be like those antlers. Let's just see how we might do that. And I don't know if this would be the best way to do it, but I'm going to start by drawing the snowflake in the center, like this. And I'm going to modify the snowflake code so that it doesn't draw the first, second, third, or fourth, but only the last two in this case. And I need to go here and search for the snowflake. And I'm going to implement this using a pattern. So another parameter here. By default, all of those 6 branches are on. And here I just have to check if the pattern shows 1, then it's going to proceed here and draw that branch. So let's save this and refresh. And nothing changed for all the other places where the snowflakes are used, and not for this one either. But if we go back to our reindeer code and we specify here a pattern of 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, and refresh, we see that we don't get those. So if you would like to have one in the middle there, you could do this, but no, I want just the antlers to appear in this case. And I want them also to touch the top part. So let's move it a little bit upper here, maybe -5%. Yeah, I think this is fine. And now let's draw the head. I'm just gonna use a circle. So let's say head radius, 20% of the size. And I'm going to draw the circle at XY, head radius, and here the fill style, let's make it dark so it contrasts well with this snowflake. I think this is good. And now for the eyes, similar as what we did for the snowman. Eye, radius, maybe 5. And the X offset, let's try with 10%. And draw a circle, one on the left, so minus the offset, eye radius, and then the fill style. I'm going to use the darkest mode because it's going to look almost black. Okay, maybe this is going to be fine. Let's see. I want to draw that snout also. Let's mirror this and then play with these variables more if we need later on. So mirroring this with a plus. Okay, And for the snout, I don't want to use another circle. I think it would look too funny, but an ellipse instead. So 2 radii there. Snout. In the center, let's say X. Then I want to move the Y a little bit down, so maybe 20%. And then the X radius and Y radius, let's just set these to a circle for now, and then modify how it looks good. And the fill style, the lightest color here. Okay, so looks like I got it to touch the bottom part. Good. So I can modify these maybe slightly now in the same way, like 25 here and 25 here should keep it touching the bottom part, but now this looks more like an ellipse. I think I like this, and the eyes are fine. It kind of looks like this is blocking them, but it's this kind of funny. The reindeer is getting close to the camera, and the snout is blocking everything. It's fun. Okay, last thing, the nose. Big red nose circle. Let's try 20% and 10% here for the radius. Yeah, that's it. Let's remove, and looks like I'm gonna get to that meeting. Remember to tune in tomorrow to see all your contributions. Thanks for watching, and see you guys. Happy holidays. Ho, 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 ho. I have to close this now. Bye-bye.